unveiling the secrets of lazy bones. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Welcome to our cozy corner where English unfolds its colorful layers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, lazy bones. Whether you've heard it in a song, a movie, or maybe someone has called you that in a playful tone, you're about to discover what this quirky expression really means. So, let's jump right in. Lazy bones is a light-hearted, somewhat humorous phrase used to describe someone who is being lazy or inactive. It's like calling someone a couch potato but with a more affectionate twist. Imagine a person lounging on a hammock, doing nothing all day. That's your classic, lazy bones. The term, bones, here is a playful way to refer to the person's body, suggesting that they are so lazy that not even their bones want to move. It's not usually meant to be insulting, but rather a nudge or a tease to get someone moving. Curious about where lazy bones comes from? It's hard to pinpoint the exact origin, but it's been part of English slang for quite some time. The term has a vintage charm, and you might find it in older songs or literature. It reflects a time when language was full of creative and humorous ways to describe everyday behavior. Now, how do we use lazy bones in everyday conversation? Here are a few examples. Come on, lazy bones, we're going to be late for the movie. I've been such a lazy bones this weekend, I didn't even leave my bed. You need to shake off that lazy bones attitude if you want to finish your project on time. Notice that it's always used in a casual, familiar context. You wouldn't call your boss lazy bones unless you have a very jocular relationship. In some cultures, direct remarks about someone's behavior, even in jest, can be considered rude. It's important to understand the relationship dynamics and the cultural background of the person you're speaking to. Lazy bones is best reserved for close friends and family members in a light-hearted scenario. And there you have it. You're all geared up to use the phrase, lazy bones, in English conversation. Remember, it's all about the context and the tone you use. I hope this little linguistic journey has sparked your curiosity and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Keep learning, and never hesitate to have a bit of fun with the language. Until next time, goodbye and stay animated, not like a lazy bones.